Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today, I'm going to show you something absolutely wild. Solving one Rubik's Cube scramble in 100 unique ways. Yes, you heard that right. 100 different methods. Sounds impossible, right? Well, buckle up, because I'm about to blow your mind. We're diving deep into the world of Rubik's Cube solutions. First up, let's scramble this cube real good. We want it to be a real challenge. Okay, now that's one mixed up cube, but don't worry, I've got 100 tricks up my sleeve. Let's start with the basics. Method number one, the classic beginner's method. This is where most of us start our Rubik's Cube journey, you know? The one where you solve it layer by layer. Simple, straightforward, and effective. It's a great way to understand the basics of the cube. Boom, first solution down, 99 to go. Now let's get creative, we're just getting started. Ever heard of solving Rubik's Cube with one hand? It's a real test of dexterity and patience. Yeah, it's a thing, and it's tougher than it looks, but with a bit of practice, it's totally doable. It's all about finger strength and precision. Bam! 2 solutions in the bag. We're on a roll. Out solving it underwater. This one's for the adventurous souls. Yep, you heard that right. It's a bit of a challenge, but it's all about keeping calm and focused. Done. 4 solutions, folks. Can you believe it? Now let's try something a bit more artistic. Solving it while painting. Multitasking at its finest. And voila, that's 5. Creativity and problem solving combined. Ever thought about solving a Rubik's Cube while riding a unicycle? It's all about balance and coordination. Just like that, 6 solutions. We're halfway to 10. How about solving it while juggling? This one's for the real daredevils out there. It's a juggling act with a twist. Nailed it. 7 down, we're on fire. Speaking of balance, how about solving it on a balance board? It's a true test of stability. Let's not forget the speed cubers out there. These folks are all about speed and efficiency. 9 solutions, blazing fast. We're almost there. And for the grand finale, solving it with feet. This one's for the flexible and determined. Believe it or not, it's a legitimate method. It's all about toe dexterity. And there you have it. 10 solutions in the most unique ways possible. But we're just scratching the surface. But wait, we're not stopping there. There are so many more creative ways to solve this puzzle. How about solving it while hula hooping, or maybe while skateboarding? The possibilities are endless. So whether you're a Rubik's Cube novice or a seasoned pro, there's always a new and exciting way to tackle that little cube. Keep experimenting and having fun.